Welcome to the Snawar Vermicompost Plant and Training Center. I'm grateful that you have shown interest in the projects that I have undertaken. One is a vermicomposting of the garden waste, kitchen waste, leftover food, fallen leaves, dry or wet, grass, and the cow dung. The process is very simple, continuous, does not need much of monitoring. It is only labor intensive. Most of the job is being done by a special type of earthworm. There are around 450 types of breeds of earthworms, but the best has been found to be Acinia foetida. This earthworm is red in color. It has got rings around its body. It has got a crawling ability. It has got a climbing ability. The other earthworms will have crawling ability. It is lighter in weight, thin in diameter, and can go up a pile of 3 feet 17 times a day. So while it is going up and down, it will go through, eat all carbonic material, biodegradable material. It hasn't got teeth, so the material has to be kept wet. It must get primary decomposed. It should get rotten, and only then it can suck it. It is a bisexual earthworm. When they meet, both of them produce eggs, then they tie themselves in a knot. One will pull towards left, the other one will pull towards right, and they help the eggs to come out from the bodies of each other. Each egg after 6 weeks will give about 1 to 2 earthworms. They multiply, they become 10 times in a year. Now, what is done? I will take you to bed number 3. आप 3 नंबर बेड पे चले जाओ. ये नंगा कर दो. The gentleman in front of you is Mr. Prem from Gadkal. Now this is bed number 3. The dimensions are about 3 feet in width, about 3 feet in height, and the length can be according to the land available. You can make it 6 feet, 10 feet, or 60 feet. But a manageable length will be around 16 feet in length. Now all this thing has to be kept under shade, under a shelter, so that the leaching of the raw material does not take place during the rain, and the nutrients of the gobar or the biocarbonic material is not wasted or destroyed because of the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now the city garden and the household waste has been put here. Some gobar has been put here. It has the humidity is to be kept 75%. आप जरा कितना नमी होनी चाहिए जरा चेक करके बताइए. Take a lump of this material. It should only wet your hand, and it should not. The drops of water should not come out. It is to be kept covered because this earthworm cannot work during in day. So preferably a black tarpaulin is to be put. Water is to be given during summer twice a day, morning and evening. Summer mean Indian summers, they are very intense. And during winter, it should be given after 1 or 2 days. Normally, The biodegradable material will get decomposed under favorable natural conditions in 2 to 3 years. But if we are able to copy the natural conditions in a controlled pits, it will convert the biodegradable material into lovely compost within, say, 45 to 60 days, depending upon the temperature. खाद है हमारे पास, जब छनी हुई जब कुछ है, थोड़ी बहुत ही एक अलग,
उस ऊपर क्या है?
ऊपर तो बहुत है,
नहीं नहीं, वो
खुली हुई,
वो भी खाद नहीं, गोबर ही है,
वो भी गोबर है।
सारा गोबर है।
कोई खाद खुला नहीं है। एक बोरी को ले आए यार,
नहीं नहीं, इट्स ओके।
उन्हें बताते हैं आपको, कैंचुए की फोटोग्राफ लेनी है।
नहीं 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 आएगी।
At the final, the end product is like tea leaves. मेरे साथ साथ रहना. Like tea leaves, and once the compost is ready, you remove the black sheet, and you will see that the waste has become a uniform top layer. You will see it, and that is indication that the decomposition has taken place completely.
So who buys the compost?
Compost people, plant lovers. It is excellent for indoor plants. It does not give you smell. It does not attract flies, mosquitoes, or any other insect. Then for indoors, it is excellent. The labor, weeds are not there, because all weeds in the composting pit, all weeds will come, they will grow, and the tender growth, the canchuas, the earthworms will eat. So all that, whatever weeds, seeds, animal seeds, bird seeds are there, they are all, they will grow here in this pit, and the canchua will eat them. So the scope of any seed left ungerminated is not there. So once you transfer them in your fields, in your soil, in your beds, or in your pots, weeds will not be less. This is a long-chained, stable, stable humus. Long-chained, stable humus. It has got a high capacity to retain water. When the water is less, it will retain water and give water to the plant as per the size, strength, and the age of the plant. It will not flood the plant. Similarly, unlike the chemical fertilizers, it will not unload the strength immediately. It will give the regulated food to a plant. Very young plant, very little food will be given. At the time of when the flowering is being done or the fruits are coming up, then the need of the plant is more food, so it will give more food.
And Prem's responsibilities?
Prem is the foreman of this place. He is the one who does everything, looks after the earthworms. He is the one who collects the raw material. He is the one who will tie up, make all these bags, and then it goes to the apple orchard and vegetable and flower grows.
Thank you.